Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody left me a message on one of my videos about text to path and want to know if they could create an outline to the text and then still have the path hidden. Well, of course, if you'll just click on your text, go up to text, fit text to path, and then put it on there. And as always, when you see that red cursor come through, you know you're in the middle. Now at this time, it's still a text, so you can left click, right click, and then to get rid of the path itself, you need to select everything, go to Object, and break the text apart, and then you can get rid of that. And at that time, you can do anything you want to with it. You can take away the fill, you can make an outline, red hairline to cut. There's a lot you can do to it. If you go ahead and convert it to a curve, though, then you can still fill it in and take away, but you can't change the text because now it's an outline. I'm hoping that was the question he had, and thank you for watching.